I'm Nivedita from Kala Crafts. Today I'm going to teach you little bit techniques of charcoal, how to use it, and then we'll be creating one scenery using the charcoal. And this is the charcoal which is available easily in the market if you go to any stationery store, and it's easily available. So here on the another paper, if you want, you can try first how it looks like and creating various textures on it. It works also very softly. So you need to try applying it in a different way, different method to create various textures. So in this way you can try different methods of practicing on it. So it looks like this, and then you can practice first before you start any drawing. And then finally, once you have practiced enough, then you can start on this paper, and I'm going to start now. But before starting, you need to start with the light layers of the colors. So first, base coat will be given with this, and I'm going to create a scenery in which there will be a baseline, which I'm going to make it now. This will be called as a baseline, and with this baseline we'll divide the earth and the sky, and then I'm going to start thinking of the other things on it. So maybe I'm going to draw small mountains in my scenery. It's very easy to handle. It's more easier than pencil. So you need not to give pressure much on the charcoal. And so in this way, with simple lines, the mountains are ready. And now I'm going to think of a road. So this is my road. It looks a little better because the area over here is bigger and it's going smaller, so it creates the illusion in your drawing. And then maybe you can add a tree over here, a big tree, and the other tree. If you want, you can make it a little smaller tree in this way, and just create a basic outline of it, because we are going to add the texture using the charcoal in this one. So here the lightest tone will be the sky color. So we are going to apply the color for the sky first, and for that I'm just going to use this charcoal very lightly, just spreading it in the area where I need, and then I have created one basic color of it. Here we are going to use the smudging technique to create the one tone of the sky, and for smudging we can use just simply the fingers, and just we can smudge it in this way. This is the base coat for the sky is ready. So this will be your lightest tone in your drawing. The other tones which you are going to add will be little darker than this. So next it comes to the ground, and ground again will be little darker. And in this one now you are going to create any one of the texture that you have created before. Maybe a grass texture, maybe a little rough texture. So you're going to create in that way, and the way I'm handling the charcoal, it creates the different texture. Now I'm using only the horizontal lines. Here these horizontal lines create the different texture, and it creates a little bit of grass effect, or maybe you can say a little different kind of a land. Looks like this. It's little darker tone than this. Now comes the mountain. Mountains are very dark. The way we are applying the mountains also, now it changes. One side you need to apply dark, and then you need to smudge the other side. Here we are using smudging technique. So one side is the dark and the other side is light. Same in the way we are, all the mountains you need to finish it in the same way. There you go. So there is a difference between this looks little smoother, this is light, this is dark, and it is with different texture. Now we have to think about the tree bark. Tree bark also will have a different texture, and for that we are going to use this charcoal vertically. So our movement of our charcoal should be vertical, and it creates a different texture and here we are using now little pressure on it. You can see the difference between the lines and the texture it is created, it's different. So now here we have to think about the road, or else it can be a water or it can be the road. It depends upon you what you want. So if it is a water, you are going to give very light tone in this way, just like how we have created the sky, and then smudge this with the lighter tone. If it is a water, and if you want to create like a road, then you might make it little darker. So in this way, if it is a water, it looks light. And now it's time to give the darkest tone to the trees. But while applying to the trees, maybe you're going to use this technique. Like you need to render your charcoal in a different style, like round and round and round. Keep on rendering until you have made the outline in this way, and I'm going to show you after completing this. Yes, just keep on rendering your charcoal and it creates a different texture in your drawing. There you go. The composition with charcoal is ready. Thank you. If you like it, you can subscribe it.